So for today's Tuesday tip, we want to talk to you about new sod. Everybody this time of the year is getting new sod put in, and we want to let you know some ideas of how to maintain that new sod. Number one, the most important this time of the year with our temperatures is remember to make sure that you're watering your sod at least 2 to 3 times a day so that the ground stays moist. We want the ground to stay as moist as possible. We don't want to cut the grass during this time frame of it establishing. Continue to water it for about 3 weeks, about twice a day to 3 times a day. Make sure it stays moist, and then after that you can then come back and reduce the amount of time on your irrigation system. After about 14 days, you want to start cutting the grass. Make sure to only cut 1/3 of the height off of the grass, or the blade height off the grass each time, so we don't stress out the grass. Those are 2 just simple tips to help you keep your lawn looking good on that new sod.